Welcome back to another edition of the Cryptosaurus. Today we are again talking about Bitcoin, the king of cryptos, that is hovering around $11,800 with a surge of 23, almost 24% in the last month. This is a monthly price change, not daily. Dominance around 60%. In this video, let's dig what's happening in the top coins. Let's see who are the biggest movers in the market. And let's dive into a Bitcoin chart that will show you when to buy and when to sell. If you are a Bitcoin investor and a long-term holder, I bet you never saw this chart. So please, stick around. Ladies and gentlemen, special announcement for special times. We are having our first subscriber. So, Mr. Subscriber, let me know in the comments, what analysis do you want? My next video will be my gift to you as our first subscriber ever. Let me know in the comment what are your interests. I will do analysis just for you. You will always be remembered in our hearts. And now, let's head to our analysis. Top coins of our crypto market are kinda moving sideways. Only Chainlink has a minus 6%, but that is expected, as we stated in one of our previous videos. Chainlink had a huge surge and, in my opinion, an unsustainable one. We touched around $20 and since then we are in a downward trajectory. Around $17, I advise you to prepare your exit plan. So if you did that, now you don't have to panic. In my opinion, more downside is coming. But let's look who is shaking the crypto market, and that is two guys, two very profitable boys. Omizago with a surge of 73% and 0x with a surge of 62%. This is a move in one day, 24 hours, and not just that. Omizago surpassed 100% in one day. This is a pullback of 73%. So altcoins are kinda crushing it, although these kind of moves in one day are really not sustainable. But as the bull market progresses, please prepare for these kind of moves, because the gains that you will see in the next few months will be something you probably have never experienced if you came in the last 2 to 3 years. And now let's look into a chart of Bitcoin that is giving one of the best buy and sell signals if you want to be a profitable investor. On the screen, I'm showing you the relative unrealized profit or loss chart. First of all, I want to thank the source for this, lookintabitcoin.com, a site that is having a fantastic charts. What is this chart? How is it functioning? Let's dig deeper. The relative unrealized profit loss is indicator derived for market value and realized value. What is a market value? It's the current price of Bitcoin multiplied by the number of coins in circulation. So this is like market cap. What is realized value? Well, a realized value takes the price of each Bitcoin when it was last moved, so the last time it was sent from one wallet to another wallet. By subtracting realized value from market value, we calculate unrealized profit or loss. Let me put this thing on the screen so you don't fall asleep when I read this indicator overview. How to view the chart. Key principle of this tool is the ratio between market cap and Bitcoin investors taking profits. When market cap rises much faster than profit taking, they see that the market is overheating, and you could say due to investor greed, as I will show you marked on the red band of this chart. For the strategic investor, such times have historically been favorable to take profit. So in other words, red band is showing you when to sell. By this indicator, we can determine what stage of the market we are in, and this can be advantageous for the long-term strategic investor. As I said, this is for the investors, long-term holders, not short or medium-term traders. Now that we passed through the boring part, let's head to charts. First of all, the chart is divided with 4 colors: the green, the black, brown, and red. Red is representing greed, brown, optimism or denial. It depends of what stage we are in, or are we in a downward or upward trajectory, entering or exiting bull or bear market. Black is hope or fear, and the green is the capitulation, the ultimate buy signal according to this chart. Now, the blue line is Bitcoin price. The red line is relative unrealized profit loss, the indicator that this chart is all about. Bitcoin price we already know, so we will temporarily make it go away. This looks cleaner and easier to understand. Now, this is pretty simple stuff. As you see, this is where we get when we enter the green area of the capitulation. We are having our buy signals, right? Easy stuff. We had 4 of those signals in the Bitcoin's history, and by the token of it, this would be a profitable area for you to come in. When would that be? Pretty simple. The low, first bear market. The low of the bear market in 2014, and the 2 lows we are experiencing from this bear market. Pretty simple, but as you can see, pretty powerful stuff. When is the time to sell? Check it out. Pretty simple. Every time we enter red, people are greedy and it's time to get out. Every time we had that signal, Bitcoin price is overheating, let's say, and starting to gain some momentum. So, although this indicator would not pick the exact top or the exact bottom, it is giving you clues when is a relatively good time to buy or sell. Meaning, if you buy on the green, you will never be in loss, and if you sell in the red, the clearer picture would be this. This is our top of the 2017 when we reached $20,000, and as you can see, we are in the green. Then we are in the red in the January of 2019, and around that time the Bitcoin price hit $3,000 and something and capitulated in our green area, giving you the signal to buy. Then what should you do? Just waiting for this red greed that was shown on the chart on July of 2019. Pretty simple, and again, a powerful stuff. What's the latest signal? Well, latest signal was this in the March of the 2020. The price definitely was showing us that. The great dip that we had in March was the great buying opportunity, as we already know. We are still not having our signal to sell. So, according to this chart, be patient. Where are we now? This is our box. We are in an optimism or denial phase. Are you optimistic? I think you are, because of current developments in the latest Bitcoin price changes. Optimism is rising. So wait for the greed and start selling, or whatever strategy you are planning to do. This chart, if you are investing, is not yet giving us the sell signal. What do you think about this idea? Do you like it? If you do, let me know in the comments. For future charts and future videos, subscribe to the channel. And until the next time, of course that Cryptosaurus is roaring with you.